everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a very cool 1996 Pontiac Formula with the WS6 package. Very cool car, guys, and a very limited production car in this color, which I think is just beautiful. It's a dark green metallic, and it's got the graphite interior. Supposedly, it's one of 34 actually offered of the 500 WS6 formulas built in 96. Killer car, 5.7 liter twin-port injected V8 engine, 6-speed manual transmission with 19,000 original miles, guys. Very, very nice car. Love the T-tops, stock aluminum wheels, and I'll tell you, we literally just wiped it down real quick and we're shooting it because we're getting behind, unfortunately. Not a whole lot here to really nitpick on this car. This car is slick. Factory ram air, performance and handling package, gorgeous paint. Very, very nice car. It's got the hidden headlights. Factory dual sport mirrors. Again, it's got the T-tops. Factory glass. It's got the graphite cloth interior. And again, you're going to see a little dust, guys. I apologize. I'm rushing these guys. And power rear antenna. Rear defog. You can see all the original paperwork for the car. Just a little water I went through, guys, sorry. Pulling it around. Nice, nice car. Hits the road great. And very well maintained. These cars are just starting to come into their own now. Full wheel disc brakes. Again, love the color. Again, sorry about the dust on the wheels, guys. We'll wipe it down better, I apologize. But if we don't get it shot, we get behind, and I got cars coming in and they're getting sold before we get them advertised, and people are getting upset with me. Again, 5 liter twin-port injected. Six-speed manual transmission. All your original stickers are still in place. Love this color. Again, just a little bit of dust we missed, guys. We just, like I say, man, I'm trying to get these things advertised so people can see that we got them. This is all real nice. You normally have these things break. Original door stickers. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power driver's seat. Cruise control. It's got the fold-down rear seat, bucket seats, center console, tilt steering wheel, cruise control. It's got the steering wheel controls as well. $19,899, if you can see that. All the tack and gauges. It's got the Delco sound system in it. Performance dual exhaust. It's got the limited slip rear axle with the performance rear suspension. T-tops. Again, original paperwork for the car. Great car. Clean underneath. Sorry guys, I ran out of battery here, so I'm gonna have to start. I got cut off here at the back seat. Factory seats, again, they're very nice. You can see that. Go ahead, Nathan, start it up. Love the color. Again, factory 5.7, 2-port injected, 6-speed manual transmission. Just bone stock underneath the hood here, just like it would have come out of the factory. The air blows ice cold, I'll tell you that, and it's just been serviced. A little red. That is a nice, nice car. 19,000 miles, all your gauges work, air is blowing ice cold here. Nice, nice car. Radio works, power windows, all that stuff works. Wipers are functional. Highway headlights. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. See, the power antenna works.